Hi, and welcome to Avasam Insights. My name is Lucas, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Shopline store with Avasam. Integrating Shopline with Avasam lets you list products directly from Avasam via our listing tool functionality, download orders, as well as controlling stock levels and prices. So if you click on the settings and sales channel integrations, click on add sales channels, and here it will allow you to select from the channels we currently support and integrate with. So you find Shopline. The Shopline help documentation will take you to our help page articles. And there are these videos as well as written articles. When you're ready, click on Add. Here you put the Shopline account name. This is for your reference only, but I will put the name of my store. Click on Next. And here you need to configure site details for your Shopline account. So what you would need, if you're already logged in, which would help, you need to be logged into your Shopline store, and then just the store domain prefix. You can find that in here on your home page, and just take this first prefix, which is, in my case, Masava store. Paste that over here and click on Next. Now you need to authorize this. So authorization key, you need to generate authorization token. Click on authorization key. Now these two channels communicate together. And once that's done, you can close this window, return back to your Avasam page and click on Next. Here you need to configure site details for your Shopline account. So inventory locations, this is the Shopline store location where the inventory will sync. I'll select default. Send notifications to customer. That means whenever the customer should be notified once the order is processed and email is sent to your customer. So I'll select yes and use channel tax. When unable, use the tax percentage directly from the Shopline or the data when it's downloaded. So I'll say yes. Entirely up to you. Click on Next. Now the sales channel was configured successfully. You can see under my sales channel integrations, Shopline store has been integrated. And if you go to the edit button, you can test the channel here. Whenever you need, you can reauthorize it. And now on to the shipping mapping. So shipping mapping tool, you'd need to select the services you offer on your Shopline store. So if I use Royal Mail, and I will map it to Avasam shipping services. Once you're ready, you can map it to all three Avasam services because different suppliers use different services available. And when you got all services mapped, click on Save. SKU mapping, you would not need to map the SKUs here manually because once you use the Shopline Avasam listing tool functionality, the SKUs are mapped automatically. This is to make sure that the stock levels and then prices are updated accordingly. Here you can have the Shopline field mapping. So whatever setup is on your Shopline, you can map these fields. So if I got the SKU, then I can map the SKU field. And then you can map it. And the additional settings of the channel, just make sure these are all set correctly. So inventory tracker, if you enable the inventory tracker, stock will update to make sure it's set to yes. Inventory policy, this is important. This is asking you if you want to sell products after they're being out of stock. So, we would strongly recommend to deny that because you don't want to sell something that is not in stock. You require shipping for products, yes. Weight unit of your Shopline site. Okay, so I'll set grams. And then if you want to allow tax on products, I'll put yes. Split orders with unknown SKUs. So you can, if you sell elsewhere, you can, and you got to order with different SKUs that are not from Avasam, you can split these orders. So they won't be showing on your orders page, and they will split it just for the Avasam related SKU. Exclude non-Avasam orders. Again, if you're selling outside Avasam products, then you want to exclude these non-Avasam orders coming to your channel. Stock update, yes. And then if you are using our automated pricing rule, you make sure you got this set to yes. maximum quantity to advertise. So let's say you're selling, well, there is many SKUs available in stock on Avasam, but you just want to show certain values. So if I set this to 50, we'll be showing all the products that are over 50, or let's say a few thousand. They will be just showing there is 50 available on my store. If you leave 0 there, then it will be updating the real quantities that are on Avasam. Stock threshold value, and you can enter quantity, but you'd like to be marked as out of stock on your sales channel, just to that extra buffer to prevent overselling. So if you select 3 or 5, then whenever the item reaches 5 in Avasam or in stock, then it will make it as out of stock, or it will zero it on your store. Once you got all the settings done and completed, click on save, and then channel mapping details are all saved there. If you have any questions, guys, about this functionality or any others, please do not hesitate to reach out to my colleagues via raising a support ticket for any technical difficulties. You can email support@avasam.com or go on a live chat where you get help from my colleagues from support team. Thank you for watching.